Let me ask you something. Have you ever said yes, and the second you said it, you already wished you could take it back?
Yeah, not just once. Honestly, I do that a lot. It's like I don't even think. The word just comes out, yes, and then 2 seconds later, I feel this heavy feeling in my chest.
Exactly. That feeling like you just agreed to something you didn't really want to do.
And then your brain starts talking. Why did you say yes? You don't even have time for this. You're already tired.
Yeah, and now it's too late.
You can't go back and say no anymore, so you just accept it.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily English Dialogue.
Hey guys, today we're talking about something very real, something that happens in everyday life, but we don't really think about it.
Yeah, we're talking about why it's so hard to say no.
And why we keep saying yes, even when we don't want to.
Let's start with something simple. Imagine this.
Okay,
It's the end of a long day. You've been working, studying, dealing with people. You're tired, your energy is low. You just want to go home, sit down, maybe watch something, or just do nothing.
that sounds perfect.
And then suddenly, someone asks you, "Hey, can you help me with this?"
And you pause for a second.
And instead of saying what you really feel,
You say, yeah, sure.
even though inside you're thinking, "No, I really don't want to do this right now."
Exactly. And the crazy thing is, we do this all the time.
Not just at work.
Yeah, with friends too.
Like when someone invites you out,
But you're exhausted.
you don't want to go anywhere.
You just want to stay home, be alone, recharge.
But what do you say?
Yeah, I'll come.
And then later,
You regret it.
you're out, you're tired, you're not enjoying it.
And you keep thinking, I could be at home right now.
So why do we do this?
I've thought about this a lot, and I think one big reason is we don't want to disappoint people.
Yeah, that's a big one.
We want people to see us as nice, helpful, easy to talk to.
We want to be liked.
Exactly. And saying no feels like we're rejecting someone.
Or being rude,
Or selfish.
even when it's not.
Yeah, but in the moment, it feels that way.
And there's also that awkward silence.
Yeah, after you say no.
That moment where you don't know what the other person is thinking.
And your brain starts going crazy.
Did I say it wrong?
Do they hate me now?
Did I just ruin the relationship?
It's funny, but also kind of stressful.
So instead of dealing with that discomfort,
We choose the easier option,
we say yes.
even when it costs our time,
Our energy.
and sometimes even our peace of mind.
And the problem is, this doesn't just happen once.
Yeah, it repeats.
One yes turns into another yes,
And another,
until suddenly you feel overwhelmed.
like you have too many things to do, but none of them are things you actually wanted.
Exactly.
And then you feel tired all the time,
Not just physically,
but mentally.
because deep down you know something is off.
You're not being honest with yourself.
So what can we do instead?
Yeah, because just saying no directly still feels hard.
Right. So let's start with something softer.
Something more natural.
You can say, "Let me think about it."
I like that one. It gives you time.
Yeah, it stops you from saying yes too quickly.
Another one is, I'm not sure I can.
That sounds gentle.
Yeah, it doesn't feel aggressive.
You can also say, "I have a lot on my plate right now."
That's a really good one.
It clearly shows you're already busy.
And people usually understand that.
Exactly.
Sometimes I say, I'll get back to you.
That's smart.
Because sometimes you just need space to think.
And it removes pressure from the moment.
But what if you already know you don't want to do it?
Then it's okay to say no.
Yeah, but how?
Keep it simple. Don't over-explain.
That's important.
You can say, "I'd love to, but I can't."
That sounds kind and respectful.
Or, I'm sorry, I'm not available.
Short and clear.
You can also say, maybe next time.
That feels softer.
Let's try a real example.
Okay.
Hey, Jock, can you help me move this weekend?
I'd love to help, but I already have plans this weekend.
Good. Now make it more natural.
I'd love to help, but I promised my family I'd spend time with them.
Perfect.
That feels more real.
Yeah, and it doesn't sound rude.
Exactly.
You know what's interesting?
What?
Most people actually understand when you say no politely.
Yeah, we just imagine the worst.
We think they'll be upset.
But most of the time, they're not.
And even if they are,
That's okay.
because your time matters too.
Your energy matters.
Your mental health matters.
Exactly.
Here's something I realized.
What?
Every time you say yes to something you don't want,
You're saying no,
to something you actually need,
like rest
or peace,
or time for yourself.
and that's why you feel drained.
Yeah, that makes a lot of sense.
So next time, before you answer,
Pause for a second
take a breath.
and ask yourself,
Do I really want to do this?
and if the answer is no,
It's okay to say it.
you're not being rude
You're being honest.
and you're protecting your energy.
And over time, it gets easier.
Yeah, the first few times are hard.
But after that, you start to feel more in control,
More calm.
more like yourself.
And that's a really good feeling.
So remember,
You don't have to say yes to everything.
it's okay to choose yourself sometimes.
Actually, it's important.
Thanks for listening, everyone,
Take care of your time,
and your energy.
and we'll see you in the next episode.